Alright, so this video is going to be a little bit different. This is a pickup we did with Ed in Michigan. Take a look. We got a big old box of stuff here. These two will be future videos. This will be a power supply repair for a broken power supply. You can see back there, kind of snapped off inside. And a non-working NES that seems to be having possible 72-pin connector issues. So we're going to take a look at that. We'll take that apart and dive into that and see what's going on inside there. For now, though, let's see what we picked up. So we'll set that over here to the side. We'll just skim through them real fast. There is a lot of games here, and this may eat up a little bit of time, and I don't want to, draw it out too long. But there is some excellent games in here, which I'm sure a lot of you have already scoped right there on the top. Some Silent Hill 2. So, absolute banger of a game there. Transformers for PS2. Rayman for PS2, Call of Duty Black Ops for the Wii, another heavy Graffiti Kingdom for the PS2, Tekken Tag Tournament for the PS2, Greatest Hits, some not so expensive stuff too, some Tony Hawk, Star Wars Battlefront, some Dynasty Warriors 4, Katamari Damacy, some Dark Alliance, Burnout Revenge, some Tekken 5, Mortal Kombat Deception, some Sims 2 Castaway. See what other PlayStation stuff we got in here. Some Kingdom Hearts. Tony Hawk 4. This one is going to my personal collection. Thank you very much, Ed. I really do appreciate it. Evil Dead Regeneration. I just happen to be missing that one. So we'll put that over there to the side. Need for Speed 2. Mystery Case. Absolute another banger. Armored Core Project Phantasma. And it was a Hollywood Video copy. Some Mercenaries 2. Excellent game. And I think that's about... No, we got some more PS2 stuff in here. Got a few more right here. Hold on, let's burn through these PS2. We have some Dragon Ball Z, some Jak and Daxter, some Sly 3, some Yanya Kabbalista. I'm not familiar with that one. Let's see what else is in here. PS2. There we go. Here's some. Some Dragon Ball Z Budokai, some Mega Man X7, some Harry Potter Goblet of Fire, Gauntlet Dark Legacy, Final Fantasy, and Dot Hack Infection. Let's look over here on this side. Got a couple more. Throw this 360 game in there. Castlevania Lord of Shadows. Let's see. There we go. And not all of these are going to be $100 games. We try to cater to a little bit of everybody. Matrix Path of Neo. Some Buzz Mega Quiz. Guitar Hero. The Bouncer. Oh, we jumped out of PS2. Hold on. Is that all the PS2 stuff? Maybe? Nope, hold on. Trying do some PS2 before we got to all the GameCube and stuff like that. Alright. So, some Sly 2, Band of Thieves, some iToy. Somebody was asking for those, so I made sure to grab one. Dragon Quest. This one is also probably going to my personal collection. Not a super expensive game, but I happen to be missing it. So, thanks again, Ed. I Play 2, Guitar Hero 2, Harry Potter, Chamber of Secrets. Now, here, we'll get these out of the way, too. We'll do these. Some ATV Off-Road Fury, Need for Speed Shift, some Pokemon Scarlet for the Switch, Hello Neighbor for the Switch, Karate Kid Street Rumble for the Switch, Mario Kart DS, Super Mario Galaxy, then a couple boxed Game Boy games, Radar Mission, Looney Tunes. These are missing their little cardboard inserts, but I think we might have a couple donor boxes in the game room. So, Boomer's Adventure and Snoopy Magic Show. Let's see what's left. Okay, we got somebody was asking for Final Fantasy on last week's show. Ed came through, man. He really hooked you up. So there it is. If you're still looking for it, we got it for you. If not, it'll be on the table for somebody. Now I believe, nope, we got two more. Ed, this has got to come back to you, buddy. Why is this in my box? Yeah, that wasn't supposed to go in there, Ed. So we'll stick that to the side. We'll send Ed a message. That was not supposed to go in my box. Burnout 3, Takedown. So we're down to just the GameCube. Let's go through them real quick. Resident Evil 4, Player's Choice. Super Mario Sunshine, Black Label. Some Super Smash Bros. Melee, Player's Choice. Super Monkey Ball, Player's Choice. Lights, Camera, Pants, Black. Super Monkey Ball Adventure, Black. NASCAR Thunder 03. And these are all going to be GameCube, so 007 Nightfire, Star Fox Assault, Red Faction 2, Super Smash Bros. Melee, Rebel Strike, Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2, Medal of Honor Rising Sun, Star Wars Rogue Leader, Zelda Wind Waker, wish that was a Black Label, Medal of Honor Frontline, Minority Report, Billy Hatcher, Prince of Persia, excuse me guys, Sands of Time, Metal Arms, 007 Everything or Nothing, Soul Calibur 2, some Madden 03. I didn't want to leave my guy hanging with the sports stuff. 007 Agent Under Fire, From Russia with Love, Muppets Party Cruise, and last but not least, GoldenEye Rogue Agent. So, absolute stunner of a pickup, man. So, those will be available this Sunday. I mean, that is a lot of games, guys. Like, a ton of games. And I appreciate all you guys stopping in, man. As always, love all of you. Happy gaming and peace.